someone on YouTube, I'm not going to mention her name because they explicitly don't want me to. Well, it turns out they're trying to tell me engine 8 here has a mechanical siren underneath the front bumper. Of course, I know better, but I'm proving it once and for all. We're going to get down and we're going to zoom in, and you tell me what you see. Nothing, right? There is nothing under there that equals a mechanical siren. Or is there? Oh my God, you might be right, mister. You know what? I'm sorry. Yes, that looks like a Model 28. Oh my stars, that is a mechanical siren. Mister, you and the internet today. Wow. Look right there underneath. That's either a Model 28. That's not an Eagle. I think that's a Model 28 because I know they removed the Q, which was on top of the phone.